Montana. Today I have the Concept 2 Air Mini. It is burning so nice today, and I wanted to show you guys how one of these big enamel roasting pans can fit inside this stove. Now, this is perfect. You can see it's not super big. It is less than 2 foot wide, and this big pan, which you could do lots of things in your oven. You could do a slow roast throughout. So I'm pretty confident. I think I can make this cooktop surpass 500. This so super sappy. So when loading a big round like this in, maybe not, I don't even need to open the bottom ash pan. You see how quickly when I close the door, how that fire takes off. I have to say, I do enjoy the airflow on the Mini. Once you seal this combustion box, the damper controls are just amazing. It's just like whoosh. And this is with the ash pan closed. And I could adjust if I didn't want so much airflow, then you adjust your primary and your secondary air located here at the bottom of the firebox. These are my two minis. This is a steel front and side panels. So that would be your 3 color choice. Set 2. This is available in the stainless steel or in a gray color like this. This plumb into radiant.